device. There we have a HMD Pulse Pro, and today I will tell you a few things what you can do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode. How to activate it? You will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's start from the simplest way. Just restart the Bluetooth connection. Just switch it off and switch it on. You can also try to restart your phone. In the next step, let's open the settings. Then swipe down and open the system. Select the reset options. Choose the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and tap on the reset button. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the system update, and if you have an update, just install it and check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.